welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this intense smoky eye night owl glam. I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet, but something along those lines. I partnered up with Ulta Beauty. They did sponsor this video, however all opinions are my own, and I'm gonna be reviewing today the brand called the Flesh. It is a brand new brand. It just launched at Ulta Beauty and select Ulta Beauty locations, also on Ulta.com. Flesh was created by Linda Wells, who is the founder of Allure magazine. I actually went to a Ulta Beauty location and tried out the products, and when I stepped into their counter, they were 40 shades of foundation. I found my foundation within about a few seconds. Like, I picked up a shade and it was exactly my color. I love the fact that they have such a big range of colors. I feel like anyone can find their shade. If you guys want to see my review on the brand new Flesh makeup line and how I got this look right here, then please keep on watching. Since my face is already moisturized, I'm just gonna jump into primer. I'm just gonna be going in with their Fresh Flesh Illuminating Primer. I'm just gonna be applying a few pumps of that all over my face. I'm gonna use my hands to mix this in just because I feel like they work better than using a brush for primer. I feel like with this primer you can even skip your moisturizer because this is doing the job. It's leaving my face super smooth, and I feel like it's also smoothing out my pores as well. So the primer has completely dried down now, and I'm loving the way it looks. It has my face feeling super moisturized, but it does not look oily. It also gives me sort of like a glow. You can literally just put this primer on for the days that you don't want to wear any makeup, but you still don't want your face to look dull. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into foundation. This is their Firm Flesh Thickstick foundation, and this is in the shade Coconut. This is pretty small, but it is only 18 bucks, and they also come in 40 shades. So let's just see how the coverage is on this. I'm first just gonna be blending that out with a brush. It does have a lot of coverage. I feel like you could even use this as a concealer or contour stick. It is also very easy to blend. I do hate using stick foundations because sometimes it can be terrible to blend, like pasty, but this one is actually pretty smooth and easy to just blur out. This is also hydrating, so this mixed with that primer I feel like is a great combination, especially if you have dry skin. And I do love the shade of this one. It matches like perfectly to my skin. Now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender just to really press that into the skin. I'm really impressed by the coverage on this foundation. If you guys didn't watch my Insta story when I went to Ulta Beauty to actually check out this line, I ended up covering my tattoo with this foundation. Like, it literally, I swatched it and it covered my tattoo. So the coverage is definitely there. It is a small tube, but I feel like since it has so much coverage, you won't be using as much anyway, and it's only 18 bucks. Since the Flesh just launched, they don't have a concealer. I should have actually gotten a lighter shade of the foundation to conceal with, but I forgot. So I'm just gonna go in with my regular concealer and my regular powder to finish off the base. For the eyes today, I'm gonna be using Fleshcolor eyeshadow palette. I love the fact that this palette has shimmer and matte shades, and it also has this super cool shade right here just to throw off the entire palette. This retails for $38, but I do love the shade selection in this palette. I feel like it has a little bit of everything. To start off this eye look, I'm gonna be going into the shade Touch. I'm gonna start applying this color through the outer V and just bring it into the crease. Next, I'm going to be going into the shade Mind. This time I'm taking a smaller blending brush. So I'm also going to apply this in the same areas that I applied that first color, but this one I'm just going to keep a little bit more intense, and I'm not going to blend it up as high as I did that first color. These shades are super easy to blend out. As you guys can see, I'm barely getting any fallout. I'm obsessed. I'm just gonna go over that with that first shade just to smooth both colors out. Next, I'm gonna be going into the shade Nerve, and this time I'm taking a flat brush. I'm just gonna be applying this right on the lid. Oh my god, this black is intense. Still no fallout, and this is a black shade that I'm using right now. This is crazy. I'm just blending that upwards. This is so easy to blend and no fallout with a black eyeshadow color. Next, I'm gonna be going into the shade Feeling. I'm just gonna apply this shade right over that black just to give it a little bit of shimmer. To highlight the inner corner of my eyes, I'm gonna be going in with the shade Unveil mixed with the shade Rush. This shade is so pretty. Next, I'm gonna be going into the shade Mind and Nerve, and I'm just gonna be smoking out my lower lash line. I'm taking the shade Mind first. So I quickly went ahead of camera just to finish off the eye look. I applied some mascara, a little bit of liner, and of course falsies. I'm obsessed with how easy the eyeshadows are to blend and how pigmented they are and no fallout. Next, I'm gonna be moving on to highlight. I'm just gonna be using the Ripe Flesh Glisten drops, and this is in the shade Candle Glow. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that where I want my face to be highlighted. I'm just gonna take a brush to blend that out. Look how pretty that is. Make us a glow. So usually it's so hard to blend like a liquid highlighter over powder already, but this is blending pretty easily. Like it doesn't dry as quickly as the other drops that I've used before. So this one gives you a little bit more time to like work with it. For lipstick, I'm gonna be using Strong Flesh lipstick, and this is in the shade Gorge. This literally feels like applying butter onto my lips. I usually hate lipsticks or even matte lipsticks because they just tend to dry my lips out. That's why I always use gloss over everything. But with this, you don't even need gloss. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I really hope you guys liked this look. I am obsessed with the way that it came out, and I love this brand. Like the products are very, very good, and they're also very affordable. I did not know that I was gonna end up liking these products as much as I do, especially the eyeshadow palette. It is insane. You guys have to try it. If you are not a fan of fallout, which hello, I am not, you definitely need to try that. I'm gonna be listing down the links to all the products that I used in today's video, so don't forget to check that out. Also, don't forget to comment below and let me know what look or challenge or any video that you guys might want to see next on my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video.
Time makes waves.